How to generate stickers using AI on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can generate stickers using AI on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open your Picsart application on your device and go to the home page. On the left side, you will see AI tools below feed. Click on that AI tools and you will find various AI tools available here. Click on that sticker generator and a window will appear. In the window, describe the sticker you want to generate by typing in this box. Below, you can select the style for a sticker such as clip art, realistic or doodle. After selecting the style, click on generate at the bottom and wait for a while for the AI to generate the sticker. Once AI generates your sticker, if you are satisfied with it, double click on it and add to your canvas. If not, click on that show more results button at the bottom to generate more results. Once you are satisfied with the results, click on one of them to add it to your canvas. From there, you can further edit the sticker or save it as it is. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.